I just screenshot a pair of the denim pants. So they are 2 layers and they're on the background. And the video does selects both of those layers. So I'm gonna click over on the layers palette. I'm gonna hold shift so they're both selected, and then I right click, and I notice that it has a group, so it groups them in the video. Group 1's fine. So you can click this little arrow and see what's in the group, but it also linked them. So again, I'm gonna hold shift and click both, right click, and then it has link layers. And what linking does is now if you click on one of them, then you actually will be selecting both. If it wasn't linked, that wouldn't be the case. And then he did add a new layer just by clicking that little button. Then they chose like a shade of gray, and then they found this tool. Gradient might be showing up on yours, but they just clicked the paint bucket. Now they made sure that layer was selected, and then they clicked it, and then I'm moving mine down because his in the video his was already down below. But let me know if that helps answer your question.